Konnichiwa. Welcome to Shitty Pawn Shop. May I take your order, please?
Hey, I'm looking for a gift. It's my friend Jeff's birthday, and I kind of forgot. I told him I get the best birthday present ever, so I'm kind of just looking for a last-minute gift. Do you have anything?
So, you're looking for the greatest gift in the world?
Exactly, yeah.
I know just the thing. Just give me 1 second, please. This is the ancient sword of my ancestor, the Ocho Muerte. It slayed the Takagaki demon army.
No, maybe something a bit less, dangerous.
Sorry, Commandant Slide. So sorry. I will get you something else. Jotomate. I will come back with the greatest gift in the world. This calculator was used by the great emperor of Japan in the feudal era, the great Sakai Katsuhiro-sama. It gave him great mathematical knowledge, but he was a douchebag.
No, math sucks. Do you have something fun?
I have failed you. I will get you something better now. Please wait. This is the great douchebag. I hope you do poo. Hey, what are you doing? Do you know what it is in this box?
No, I know.
To watch you define.
The what?
The Asian Rubik's Cube! Do you know the story behind this? Uchi the Fun.
No.
Long ago in ancient Japan.
I'll give it $10.
Are you crazy? It's not for sale. I want 20.
I'll give you 15. Happy birthday, Jeff. Hi, Gilberto, LAPD. We're looking for Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Are you familiar with Chauncey the Bear?
Yeah, he's my friend.
This was found in his hand. He passed away today in front of the city pawn shop. It's for your birthday. Happy birthday, kid.
Wait, Chancey Dad?
Drop my badge. Sir? Sir, I'm coming in. Oh, shit. This is Detective Gilberto, LAPD. I need immediate backup. 333 Square Lane. There's a dead body. Cause of death unknown.
I got it! They're all white! It's gotta be something else.
No, look. Both of the cases have the Rubik's Cube in their left hand.
Gilberto, are you freaking high? You're off this case. Get the hell out of my office.
I don't need this shit.
Get out!
Department. I'll do this case by myself.
Fine. It's cause they're both left-handed. You're a freaking dumbass, Cooper bitch.
Hello? Yeah. When?
Hello? What? My daughter? Where is she? What the hell happened? I told you were off. Get out of the way!
Oh my god! No! No! Why? I'll do this for you!
Did she have the Rubik's Cube? Yes, she did.
Welcome to Shitty Pawn Shop. Now take your order, praise.
You know anything about this?
Ah! The Asian Rubik's Cube! Get away from me!
So I'll take this as a yes. Tell me everything about it.
No, you already know too much.
We can be here all day long.
I know nothing.
We can stay here all day long.
Okay, I talk. One momento, please. This is the ancient Asian book of the ancient Asian artifacts. It is very ancient and Asian. I will tell you the story behind the Rubik's. Long, long ago, in ancient Japan, there lived a great emperor, and he dedicated his life to solve the magic Rubik's Cube. As he lay there in his deathbed, he finally solved the Rubik's Cube. Anyone who rotate or mix up this cube will be cursed and will have exactly 3 minutes to solve it. And if they fail, they will suffer a great death. Now, this is the only way to solve the Rubik's Cube. Where are you going? Beware of the curse of the ancient Rubik's Cube!
My beautiful white daughter, I'll do this for you. Finally over.
Thank you.